got it on level ground. I have replaced the oil in this, so we've got a good level there. All right, I'll get this back in. These are always, oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, I just took the spark plug boot off because I was going to check that. I mean, I know it. Go ahead and check it. So I didn't have any problems with the primer bulb. Let's go ahead and prime it. See there, it's getting fuel to the carburetor. Uh-oh, it's coming out over here. That may have been a problem right there. This line. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. All right, we're gonna have to do something about that. All right, so check this out. I cut the end off just to make sure that it wasn't flared, and it is still loose, very loose. So I was able to find some more line right here. It's the size. But before replacing it, let's see if we can get it started. Maybe it'll simulate what it was doing last time, so you can get an idea of what I was looking at. So, okay, make sure this is all right. Let me try to give it some pulls. Go ahead and prime it. Okay. I think we're good. Go back. See what's up. All right, so that's the way it is. So it's either the carburetor, could be this line, I guess. I think that's what we'll do first. Let's go ahead and take this line off. Take the new line. We're going about a 1/2 inch in there. We're just gonna put it on the nipple there. Cut it about right there. Try to get a nice square cut. That really fits snug on there. Okay, we shouldn't have a problem with that. Okay, so let's go ahead and prime it a little more. All right. All right, let's try to start it. Not pulling the throttle. Okay, so at that point I'm going to give up on it, and we're going to try to replace the carburetor. Here's a look at the new carburetor that I bought. Here's the number. Now I know in the listing of this on Amazon that it stated that it is for the TB5225CS. So I'm hoping I got the right one, or I'm hoping they sent me the right one, because I know that the one that I bought is supposed to be for this trimmer. However, looking at the fuel lines, they are different. They're too small. For example, here's the return line, and there's no way that the return line is going to come all the way up here. Same with the the main fuel line. May be okay. I don't know if it go in the, yeah, it may go in the bottom of the tank and then connect up here okay, but definitely the return line is too short. Also, I don't know what this, tank doesn't have that hole for the grommet. Most importantly, let's take a look at the carburetor. This is kind of promising. Maybe, maybe not. Don't know if my linkage is going to be. Yeah, I think it'll probably be okay. There's a linkage right there. This is different setup. Other than that, I think it'll be okay. Got an adjustment screw right here, which I don't have on this one. Idle screw, same. And this fitting nipple here might be a little bigger, but yeah, I think it's worth checking out. The screws or the bolts should be the same. So I'm going to take this one off camera, and then I'll put this one back on, and I'll get right back after that. Alright, so here's the hole in the wall bro where the linkage went in. Here's the new one. So I'm going to change this out. The two little screws there, the two Phillips screws. That should be fine. New one has the O-ring. Now the O-ring and the old one is still in here, so yeah, that didn't cause any trouble. So yeah, let me get this changed out. All right, here's the new one. And here's the old one. Okay, I'll just put these screws back in place. Alright, so both of these I had to tighten the idle down just to get the screw out, or get access to the screw. So let's get this one tightened. And then let's go back to where the setting was at. Actually, I loosened it. So that's about where they had it set at. So yeah, I had to loosen it to get access to the screw here. So that's about where they had it set at. Alright, let's go ahead and put it on. Put the linkage in place. Okay, so on the lines we had the return on the top. Bottom one goes to the fuel filter, and that's going to be snug. May try to get that on a little farther, but first let's just see if it's going to work. All right, let's prime it. Nice. Okay. Set up on a tripod here. That thing runs great. Really impressed with the carb. Let me show you one more time. Yeah, here is the box that it came in. Here's the box that it came in. They gave me these two lines of filter, actually two filters, two primer bulbs, purge bulbs, a gasket, and a spark plug. Spark plug, however, is too big for this trimmer. But yeah, it's nice to throw that in there. Okay, see where it's made at. Made in China. And that is the number. So I'm pretty pleased with it. Really am. I was, going to put this to the wayside for a while, or if not, maybe ever. But it runs good now with that carburetor for 15 or 16 bucks, I think it was. So yeah, I'm not going to mess with diaphragms, and just get the carburetor and put it on there. It took actually 5 minutes to put on there. I guess that'll be it. Thank you for watching the video. Again, this was a Troy Bilt 4-cycle, the TB 525 CS. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.